Hi friends, if you own a e-commerce website in WordPress or any other general website with WordPress, this video is for you. This is being the second video in the series of the videos, and that series is covering 101 tips for WordPress website to make your WordPress website secure, more performing and user friendly. And I believe you have already watched the first video. If not, just follow the link given in the description of the first video and rest of videos as well, so you can follow the link. And without any further delay, let us proceed towards the series of 101 tips for WordPress website to make your website successful, secure and user friendly. This is being the second video, and we are going to discuss next points from point number 11. So the 11th point says use custom permalinks to get SEO benefit. So if you are using plain permalinks in your settings like page number strings, it is not going to benefit your website in SEO activities. So make sure you are using the custom permalinks, and that you can set here. So under settings, permalinks, select post name as the custom permalink should be there, and it is also going to create htaccess file at your cpanel. So that is also giving you another controls of your website. I will discuss the htaccess features and how you can use the htaccess files at your WordPress website. So this is being the another tip, that you have to use the custom permalinks. And the next point, that is 12th point, says you can keep your WordPress installation clean using WP Reset plugin. So just in case your installation is cluttered and full of those things that is not required for your website, you can use a plugin called WP Reset, and you can download the plugin by following this link that will be available in the description of this video. Just follow one link and that will navigate to a blog on WP Themes website, and you can get all these links. So what I am explaining in this video. So if you want to reset your installation to remove the unwanted files, and if you're changing the theme, and if you want to reinstall the theme and the development process of your website, just use WP Reset plugin. It is an awesome plugin that also cleans your cluttered database and images and each and everything that is not required for your website. And the 13th points is bit technical, and that is for making your WP admin directory password protected. So these are the steps, and you are advised to make your WP admin directory password protected to make your website more secure. And these are the 4 steps through which you can protect your WP admin directory with a password, and this is very important. So these are the steps, just follow these steps. So log into, so for this you need to access on your cpanel or on the file manager system. So you should have the hosting account control panel. So for this, and you can do this from there. So these are the 4 steps. 14th point says you should hide WP includes, WP content and WP uploads folder. These are the folders, major folders of your WordPress installation, and you have to hide. If you just want to increase the security and you are afraid that your website may be under attack, or it can be hacked, or you are having less security features at your website like CDN and password protected directories and firewalls, so you can use this protection method. So try going to your website.com just to check whether it is hidden or not. You can use this URL, just replace this part with your own domain name, and if you don't disable it, malicious individuals can find out what kind of themes and plugins being used at your website. So it is necessary, I can say, to hide these folders. And if your website, in your website root directory, edit the htaccess file, this is being the another option, and you can have this option. So just add a code in your htaccess. You can hide this directory simply by editing in the htaccess file. So it is very simple, and save your htaccess file, it will be fine. So this is being the one line that you need to add in the htaccess files. The 15th point says you can change the media upload directory. Okay, so this is also being an important features. So you can easily do that by adding a line of code in wp-config php file. So for this you need to have access on your file manager, and you just need to add this right up, add this code right after require once ASB path. This is being the line you have to find in your wp config file, and in the wp config file just you put this line on the wp config. And for more how to do this, you can follow this reference article. I am giving the link of this article, and the details how it can be done is there. You just need to add one line of code in your wp config, and your media upload directory will be hidden after that. So if you are using multiple external links at your website, and if anyone follows that link, that goes to another website, and in that manner your website visitor jumps to another website and you lose that particular visitor. So this is an important feature for your website. If you are having multiple external links, so you can open all external links in new window. So this is being very important setting. Even if you are using less external links, you can use this. So add a no referrer or no opener attribute to all external links. This is being a very important tip. So install a plugin called WP external links. So you can download that particular plugin from here. Link will be available, and open the external link option. Select each in a separate new window tab. So that setting is available, and you'll definitely find after installing this plugin. So just you need to install this WP external links plugin, and you will be able to handle the external links through that plugin. The 17th point is for checking the broken links, and you might be aware from the SEO point of view, so your website should not have any broken links. So how to check this? You have to use a plugin for checking the broken links. So you need to install this plugin. Even for a moment while you are attempting for SEO activities on your website at the very beginning or during the development of your website, so just install this plugin to check whether any broken links is there on your website, and just remove those broken links, because that is going to put bad impact from SEO point of view on your website. So check broken links through this plugin. So follow the link. And the next point is integrate human verification system. So it is all about the safety. I'm not a robot. You know, the WordPress is being the prime attempt for hackers WordPress websites, because it is very popular and it is commonly available CMS in the web, and so accordingly there are some security patches are required on the website. So you might have seen the WP Themes website. While you are ordering any theme or any services at WP Themes website, you might be encountered to a human verification system that is asking always for just verify that you are a human and check the box I am not a robot. So this is very important security patch and that your website needs. If just in case if you are opening any form, and if there are some forms at your website, and even if your website is allowing comments, that is also a medium for hacking attempt. So any malicious code can be injected at your website through forms. So at each and every form, even at login form, human verification is required from security purpose. So this is being the option, and it comes free, absolutely free from Google itself. And reCAPTCHA, this is called reCAPTCHA, and you can integrate the reCAPTCHA human verification at your website. You can watch the demo at WP Themes website itself, and you can follow this video. I am going to add the link of this video where each and everything how to integrate the reCAPTCHA has been given. And I personally recommend to use the reCAPTCHA because it is a very good security feature, and it almost blocks all the robot hit attempts. So your website is going to be secure after using the reCAPTCHA. So this is a very good security option. Okay, so this is another security patch, and this will enable your website to limit the login attempts. So there might be malicious scripts that kept attempting for login at your website. If you are having some features for login, and there might be a script that may keep attempting for login, and your server will be occupied fully, and finally your website will be crushed. So this is being the drawback, and to protect your WordPress website from brute force attacks and hackers, you can use plugin called limit login attempts reloaded, and you can download this plugin by following this link. And okay, so again, link is available in the comment section, and just follow the single link. You'll get all that links on a single page at WP Themes website. Okay, so this is being the another security patch which limits the login attempts. You can set how many logins are allowed in a single minute or in a particular piece of time. And the last but not least tip in this video of the second series, that the add two-factor authentication. So two-factor authentication is always another advanced security option that can be added at your website. You can use two-factor authentication that makes it impossible for anyone to log in to your website without having proper authority to log in. So for two-factor authentication, you need to have a plugin at your website, and this is being the link through which you can download and integrate the two-factor. So just in case if you are having any trouble in any of these points, that 10 points that had been discussed in this video, you can freely write, just feel free to write anything in the comment section of this video. Raise any question. I will try my level best to help you out, and I'll also try to make another video just in case if I feel it is required for you. And I am just trying to make your WordPress website more secure, more user friendly, and more performing. Okay, so I believe you are already a subscriber of this channel, and I'm coming with another videos on the WordPress themes, plugin utilities, and the tips like this. So keep watching, keep building. Thank you.